Over 100 million people in the United States live with prediabetes or diabetes. Many more exhibit signs of insulin resistance or hypoglycemia, often without realizing it. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial, as chronic blood sugar issues, prediabetes, and diabetes can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, liver problems, and more. Fortunately, a healthy diet, lifestyle changes, and certain powerful herbs can support blood sugar levels and enhance overall health and well being. This video will explore the importance of maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, and I will highlight the top herbs that support healthy blood sugar levels. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for your overall health and preventing prediabetes, diabetes, insulin resistance, and related health issues. Untreated blood sugar problems, prediabetes, and diabetes can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, liver issues, vision loss, and other health complications. Blood sugar level issues, insulin resistance, and hypoglycemic episodes can develop even before reaching the prediabetes or diabetes stage, highlighting the importance of monitoring your blood sugar levels. The best herbs to support healthy blood sugar levels. Eating a healthy, nutrient-dense diet low in carbs is a key to supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Additionally, the herbs that I'm going to recommend in this video have been shown to support healthy blood sugar levels. Here are the herbs I recommend, and make sure to watch until the end to hear the number one herb to control your blood sugar. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an aromatic spice that's high in antioxidants and has countless health benefits, including supporting your blood sugar levels. According to a 2009 study, taking 500 milligrams of cinnamon for 12 weeks decreased the oxidative stress in people with prediabetes. A 2001 study found that cinnamon may lower blood sugar levels and may imitate the effects of insulin and help transport blood glucose. According to a 2007 study, cinnamon can help increase insulin sensitivity for up to 12 hours. Kudzu. Kudzu is a native perennial vine in Asia with so many health benefits, including supporting your blood sugar levels. This is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine, and it contains phytonutrients and phytoestrogens to help improve blood sugar cravings, inflammation, and sex hormone balance. According to 2013 research on mice, berberine, a bioactive isoflavone found in kudzu, helps to increase insulin expression and support blood sugar levels. A recent 2020 study has also found that kudzu root showed anti-diabetic benefits on diabetic rats. Banaba leaf. Banaba leaf is a medium-sized tree in Southeast Asia that has been used for medicinal properties for centuries. A 2012 scientific review discussed the benefits of banaba leaf on metabolic syndrome and its benefits on glucose uptake and blood sugar levels. The active ingredient in banaba leaf is corosolic acid, which is thought to be responsible for its health benefits. A 2008 study has found that banaba leaf can help improve glucose uptake by enhancing insulin receptor activity and as a result may benefit blood sugar levels. A 2009 research supported the idea that banaba leaf may complement diabetes treatment. Gymnema sylvestre is native to India, Africa, and Australia, and has been a major part of Indian and Ayurvedic medicine. According to a 1983 and 2007 research, Gymnema can decrease your cravings for sweet foods by reducing your perception of sweetness. As a result, it may help to support blood sugar levels by reducing your risk of overwhelming your body with sugary food. According to a 2017 study, taking Gymnema in combination with blood sugar medication can effectively lower blood sugar levels. According to a 2017 study, taking 200 to 400 milligrams of Gymnema may decrease blood sugar absorption, and according to 2011 research, supplementing with Gymnema can lower blood sugar levels after meals and lower the risk of diabetes complications. American ginseng. American ginseng is a type of ginseng that is primarily found in North America. It is known for its benefits for type 2 diabetes. According to a 2018 study, American ginseng can help to lower post-meal blood sugar by 20%. A 2000 and 2016 research both found that American ginseng can improve your body's cellular response. They also found that 1 gram about 2 hours before a meal seems to be the most effective dose, and anything over 3 grams doesn't show a difference in benefits. Fenugreek. Though fenugreek was first recorded in Egypt in 1500 BC, it mainly grows in Europe and Asia. It can be used as a spice, tea, and supplement for its numerous health benefits. Fenugreek contains a specialized type of soluble fiber called galactomannan that slows the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream. In addition, it is rich in steroid-like saponins, which help to improve bile flow and stabilize blood sugar triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. According to a 2009 study, using 10 grams of fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water may help people with diabetes. Another 2009 study suggests that fenugreek may lower insulin resistance when used as fenugreek flour in bread and other baked goods. A 2017 scientific review discussed fenugreek supplements and they may lower fasting blood glucose levels. And finally, the best for last, berberine. Berberine is a powerful health compound that has been used for thousands of years by Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. It has been highly regarded for its efficiency in supporting healthy blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Research has shown that berberine may benefit the treatment of type 2 diabetes and have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, insulin, and triglycerides. According to a 2019 meta-analysis, berberine is better than a placebo at lowering blood sugar levels and seems to be more effective when used in combination with blood sugar effective drugs than when using medication alone. A 2014 study found that berberine may benefit those with diabetes who cannot take anti-diabetic medication due to heart, kidney, or liver problems. According to a 2014 meta-analysis, combining berberine with lifestyle changes is more effective than lifestyle changes alone for improving blood sugar levels. Diabetes, prediabetes, hypoglycemia, and insulin resistance are rampant in our country. They can increase the risk of heart problems, stroke, kidney failure, liver problems, obesity, and countless other serious health issues. Supporting your blood sugar levels is critical for your health. Follow these tips and try the herbs I recommend to reduce your sugar cravings, support your blood sugar levels, and improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips.